Hi there, it's Jodi. I'm excited to tell you about this new kit that I have. It's available now through the end of this month, February 2023, and it's really cool because it doesn't have any stamping. So we all love to stamp, right? I mean, that's why you're here. You love to use stamps, use ink, and create. But sometimes it's nice to make quick and creative cards without actually stamping. It just makes it super quick and easy. And that's what this card kit is all about. So it uses in the current mini catalog, so this mini catalog here, on page 73, it looks like this. It says Capture the Moment, and there's the Enjoy the Adventure, Memories and More card pack, and then Enjoy the Adventure, Memories and More cards and envelopes. And you can see some really cute scrapbook pages you can do with this, little treats. There's a lot that you can do with this Memories and More kit. But what I did is I took these little cards and created a kit that includes 20 cards with envelopes. So let me show you what the products are, and then I'll show you what the cards are in my kit. So there are 3" by 4" cards that we use on the actual card bases. You could, of course, use these in your scrapbooking as well. So there's all sorts of cute things here. They're all double-sided and different. I wanted to point this one out. Something that I saw that's really cute. I'll just pull this in because it happens to be on the top. This is one of the cards in my kit. So you can see I just took this, set it right on, added a sticker. It's popped up with a Stampin' Dimensional and left it at that. It's as easy as that. But what you could also do is take this card and cut it in between each of these words. So you'd have 5 hello greetings to use on your cards. So you can just take it at face value, stick it on the card base and be ready to go. Or you can kind of manipulate the different pieces to create different types of cards. So you get this stack of the 4 by 3" cards. You get some larger ones that are 4 by 6 inches. And then you get some sticker sheets. Oops, there was a couple more of the big cards. So there's those. And then these sticker sheets. So you can use these on your projects as well. So that is what you will get is this stack as well as the card bases. So I'll just pull this one in again as an example. Some of them have this color card base. There's 10 like that, and there's 10 like this with the blue and green, okay? So you're going to get 20 card bases to make 20 cards, and you're going to get these really cute coordinating envelopes. It's just fun to have a little decorative envelope. So you've got 20 of those. So it's 20, you're gonna make 20 cards with envelopes, no stamping, and it's only $22, and that includes me mailing it to you. So you really just can't pass this up. It's such a great deal. You can also, if you would like, do 2 sets. So you'd make 40 cards total with the coordinating envelopes, and that's only $38. And again, includes the cost of mailing it to you. So it's a really, really great value. And you'll see as I flip through the cards, they're just super cute. Instructions, like some photos and tips, will be emailed to you in a document. So you'll have all that right in front of you too. So just real quickly, I'm going to flip through the cards that I did. Some are kind of obvious, just putting the cards on and the stickers. Others, I cut things a little bit and took parts of this and that to make the card. And so that will all be included in the instructions that you get so that you know all those little tips and tricks that I did. But there's 20 different cards, 20 unique cards here with the coordinating envelopes. And it's only $22, no stamping involved. So when would you use this? Anytime that you want to just do some quick cards. Those of you that go camping in the summer, maybe you like to take a craft along for those rainy days. It would be super easy, very compact, to just take these supplies with you and do some creating while you're out and about doing things, camping this summer, just like a rainy day project. So they're really great for any time. They're all occasion, can be used year round. and no stamping, just makes them super easy to create. So $22 gives you the 20 cards with envelopes. $38 gives you 2 sets. So 40 cards total. I've had just a great response to this kit. I'm excited to be able to offer it to you. Like I said, it's available now through the end of the month, so just over a week yet. So be sure to reach out and let me know if you would like to order one of them, and it will arrive at your door ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.